Unprecedented tension in Washington-Tehran talks. Did it almost turn into a physical fight? Here's what happened between Abbas Araghchi and Steve Witkoff. Between diplomacy and explosion. Moments described as the most dangerous unfolded behind the scenes of US-Iran negotiations in Islamabad. Media reports spoke of intense tension that nearly spiraled out of control. So did the talks reach the brink of total collapse? In a striking development reflecting the scale of tension between Washington and Tehran, a Turkish journalist in Pakistan revealed an unprecedented scene during negotiation sessions, indicating that Iranian Foreign Minister Abbas Araghchi and US envoy Steve Witkoff nearly engaged in a physical confrontation during a heated discussion over the Strait of Hormuz.
That is our final and best offer. We'll see if the Iranians accept it. Thank you.
Strait of Hormuz.
Did you going back to Prime Minister Netanyahu at all today? What about the Strait of Hormuz? Did they give you any indication of the Supreme Leader's health?
According to information reported by regional media, the dispute escalated rapidly during discussions on freedom of navigation and security guarantees in the Gulf, with each side sticking firmly to its position, creating a highly charged atmosphere inside the room. Despite the lack of official confirmation, Pakistani sources indicated that the session witnessed unusual tension that required swift intervention to contain the situation. These developments come at a sensitive time as the Islamabad talks mark the first direct engagement at this level between the two sides in years, amid international pressure to de-escalate and avoid a broader regional confrontation. Diplomatic sources stated that the dispute over the Strait of Hormuz, in particular, is one of the main sticking points, given its strategic importance to global oil flows, explaining the intensity of the exchange between both sides.